Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video, I'm going to go through the Forex market wrap. It's not quite the end of the week yet. The end of the week is tomorrow. However, it is Christmas Eve, so won't really be looking too much at the charts over Christmas. Spend some time with your family. So what have we actually seen this week? Because usually we see low liquidity, we don't really see a lot of volume traded in the markets this time of year. And however, we were kind of expecting some volatility to come from potential Omicron news. However, we haven't actually seen that follow through. I was expecting a little bit more aggressive selling to come into the market, and we haven't seen that. We saw the opposite. Actually, it did end up following sort of the strength meter to plans if you actually watch the week ahead analysis video. So the news that was forecast, we had some GDP data which came out in Canada, which was came out as forecast, so no surprises there. There was a revision to 0.2% positive, so a little bit of positive news there for Canada. And then the US core PCE price index came out a little bit better than expected, but markets pretty much ignored it as we kind of expected. Moving on to the dollar index then, so we actually have had an interesting development here. Although price still remains range bound on this 4-hour time frame, we are starting to see sellers come back into the market now. So what we really want to see is prices clear below this sort of 95.50 area. If we can start trading below that, I think we will get that pullback in line with the seasonal analysis that we've looked at previously on the US. So if we can get some downside here, that would be something I'm interested in. Going on to pound then, so we said pound obviously had an interesting week last week due to the hike in interest rates from the Bank of England. I was expecting a little bit more upside to come from the market. We haven't really seen, what we saw was a bit of a pullback, deep retracement, which was kind of putting a little bit of risk on some potential upside. However, ever since that, we've started to make higher highs and higher lows, and pound has really gone from strength to strength in line with this potential reversal back into this sort of 13500 level. Going on to gold then, so gold was one to watch for us going into this week. We like the idea of going long. We talked about in yesterday's video, in and around this area, looking for long positions. If price can break above this counter trend line as well, would be ideal to look for longs, and prices of gold are now starting to rally again seasonally. Gold is pretty strong this time of year, and we're looking for prices to come up at least to sort of 1840s. If we can get to 1870s, that's great. So what we want to be doing is identifying this trend and higher highs, higher lows, and looking for those long trading opportunities. Same with silver. Really like the idea of being long silver. It's technically a little bit better than gold in terms of we're at a key support zone. The candlesticks on the weekly are very low ranging, suggesting that the selling momentum has gone or is fading, and that we should be looking to buy back up into these lows. What have we seen? Well, we pointed out this support zone in here, and price has rallied away from that. So if you watch the video on silver, this was the zone we were looking for long ideas from, and price has really rampaged or rallied significantly higher. Not rampage, that's a bit aggressive, but rallied significantly higher. So I expect silver and gold to continue to perform, and we could see some further upside from those commodities. That's it for us. Happy holidays. I hope you all have a great break. And thank you for watching our videos. We really appreciate the support. We appreciate the comments that are left on the videos and the likes especially. We really appreciate the support that we've had this year on the channel, and thank you for viewing the videos. And hopefully next year I can bring you some further content as well to help you on your trading journeys. So thank you, have a great rest of your year, and I will speak to you very, very soon.